Good morning students once again. Now in this video today we are going to start with the mechanism of SN2 reaction. SN2. Now might be you are having a little bit idea what we are going to do in this reaction. You see please. First of all I am writing the simple reaction CH3Br plus OH negative, and what we are getting there, CH3OH plus Br negative. Is that clear? And here the rate is here. Rate is equal to, now see, 1 here, 1 and the 2. Two reactants are there, CH3Br and the OH negative. Clear? CH3Br and the OH negative. How many reactants are there? There are total 2 reactants. So here 1 and here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Order of the reaction will be equal to 2. Order is 2, that is why it is a bimolecular reaction. What do you call it? What do we call it? Bimolecular. Yeah, what we call it? Bimolecular reaction. Is that clear? Okay, now after that we are going to start its mechanism, and I will tell you this mechanism is a only one step mechanism. What is it? Only and only one step mechanism. Okay beta, you please see, all of you, what is going to happening over there. You please see there, I am writing this is CH3Br or CH3CH2Br. You please see 3H, this is a Br, and here is OH negative ion. But a OH negative ion will attack from the back side. Why from the back side? Because C is a positively charged, Br is partially negatively charged. If the OH negative will attack from this side, front side, then this negative and this negative will repel. Okay, but that is why it's attacking from the back side. Fine. Now, when it will be attacked, then what is going to happening over there? There will be a formation of transition state. What will be there? Formation of transition state. You see must CH3, then here is H is as it is, here it is. You please see, carbon is having maximum 4 bond, no? But here we are getting there, this is OH negative. How many bonds we are getting over here? Yes, how many bonds we are getting over there? Partially negative is a partially negative. We are getting a 5 bond of carbon, which is not possible. So that is why it is a transition state. क्या है ये? It is a transition state which is unstable. So that is why after that, after this transition state, now you see please all of you, I hope you all have made the transition state. So I am having a less space, that is why I am rubbing the transition state. Now after the transition state, what you are going to make there? You please see, all of you, after the transition state you all have made, I hope so. Now you see please, after the transition state, this was the transition state. After the transition state, what I am going to make there? You please see, all of you, here carbon, then CH3 is there, then OH is coming there, that is why here it is OH, and hydrogen, just wait, this is there, hydrogen and the hydrogen. Clear? This is here, and plus Br negative. And student, you see it very carefully what I have done there. When this OH negative is going to attack over here, you can see the geometry or shape of this one is totally reversed. Okay, this one is totally reversed. Oh, are you getting my point? What I'm going to telling you over there means totally reversed, means Reverse means is totally inverted. That I will tell you later on. But you understood this one in the mechanism. It's a one step only. First of all, alkyl halide, then OH negative, then we are getting a transition state, then final product, then we are negative. Clear? Okay. Then after that, we have to do its reactivity order. What to do there? Yeah, we have to do its reactivity order. Now, whensoever we are talking about the reactivity order, students, we must, in the SN1 there was a carbocation, but here it is not like that, any carbocation. So what usually we are saying, that primary alkyl halide, then secondary, then tertiary. Means primary alkyl halide is maximum reactive. You know why? Why primary is maximum reactive? See, CH3 Br. I am writing, or we can write like this. Okay, or we can write like this. Or we can write like this. You please see, all of you. This is there. Then we are writing like this. Hope you are getting my point. Now, beta, you please see what is going to happening over there. This is the primary alkyl halide. Beta, this is also a primary. This is the secondary, and this is the tertiary. Now, C is always positively charged. Air is positively charged. Air is also positively charged. You see, please. This CH3Br, I am making it little bit different way, so that you might be, you understood it better. This is the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. This is the Br. Okay. You see, please. This was a hydrogen. Now you see again. This is a positively charged. But when nucleophile have to attack, where the nucleophile attack will be easy? You tell me, where the steric hindrance, means rush around the carbon, is less? I think here in this case it's very easy. Here is one alkyl group, here is 1, 2 alkyl group, here 1, 2, 3 alkyl group. So where the steric hindrance is more? I think the last tertiary alkyl halide rush is more. Steric hindrance is more. So nucleophile attack will become difficult. So what we can write, as we move from primary to tertiary alkyl halide, from primary to tertiary alkyl halide, then what is going to happening over there? Steric hindrance increases. Steric hindrance increases means rush is increases around the carbon, so that nucleophile attack will be difficult. Okay, have you understood my point? Is that clear to you to all? Okay, this was about the reactivity order. What was it? This was about the reactivity order of the SN2 reaction. Okay, students, I hope you all are getting my point. Okay, then after that, beta, we have to do the stereochemistry. क्या करनी है हमने? Stereochemistry of the SN2 reaction. क्या करनी है बेटा हमने? Stereochemistry of the SN2 reaction. So whenever we are going to study about the stereochemistry of the SN2 reaction, you please see, all of you, very carefully what is going to happening over there. See, please, all of you, stereochemistry of SN2 mechanism. So what to do there? You must see, please. Here is, you can make CH3Br, CH3, CH2Br, anyone you can make here. Okay, suppose I am writing here CH. Okay, here I am writing, let it be, but ये है same ही है, I am writing it differently. Suppose let it be, it is CH dash. Okay, and let it be, it is CH double dash. Okay, and this is a Br, and OH negative is going to attack over here. Now as you know very well, now after the attacking, beta ध्यान से देखना बनता क्या है हमारे पास. Okay, you please see, all of you very carefully see. Then अच्छा एक बात और, you must see there, this hydrogen was not like that. Let it be, this hydrogen is little bit like this. Okay, then now in the product we are getting, you please see CH. Okay, then after that what is going to happening over there, you must see H double dash. ये मैंने डबल डैश और एच डैश इसलिए, यू हैव नो नीड टू राइट इन द कॉपी एच डबल डैश और डैश, यू सिंपली राइट हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन. मैंने सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए बनाए हैं. ओके, नाउ यू सी, इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस स्ट्रक्चर एंड दिस स्ट्रक्चर? डिफरेंस इज देयर, यस डिफरेंस इज देयर बेटा. इट इज, दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज टोटली इन्वर्टेड. इन्वर्टेड का मतलब तो होता है टोटली उल्ट, लाइक अ फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर, जस्ट लाइक अ अम्ब्रेला इन द एयर. अम्ब्रेला इन द एयर क्या हो जाएगी, इट्स इनसाइड पार्ट कम आउटसाइड, आउटसाइड पार्ट कम इनसाइड, लाइक दैट वे ओनली. Okay, and see, please don't write this double dash on your copies. Just I told you to remember so that you can understand. Okay, mean these hydrogen can rotate. Clear? And so that is why what we are telling over there, we are just telling that the stereochemistry of the SN2 reaction is a Walden inversion. Walden inversion, it was given by Walden, and inversion means totally opposite. It's just like an umbrella. Clear? So we have studied SN2 reaction also, we have studied SN1 reaction also, their reactivity also, and along with that their stereochemistry also. Okay students, thank you very much.